Do you want to turn your boring Windows desktop into an awesome live wallpaper setup? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to use animated videos as your wallpaper, completely free. I'll also show you a website where you can download thousands of stunning 4K live wallpapers, including anime, cars, gaming, nature, and your favorite characters, all for free. So, give this video a quick thumbs up and let's get started. First, go to your Start menu and open Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Lively Wallpaper and press Enter. Open this one. Now here, click on the Get button, and it will start downloading and installing. Just let it finish. Once the download is complete, simply open it. The interface is very simple. You'll already see several built-in live wallpapers. To apply one, simply click on it. Now, if you go back to your desktop, you'll see your new animated wallpaper running in the background. In same way, you can apply any wallpaper you want. But what if you want to use your own live wallpapers instead? No problem. You can easily add any live wallpaper you want, as long as you've already downloaded it to your PC. If you haven't, don't worry. I've added a link in the description to a free website where you can download thousands of high-quality live wallpapers. You'll find everything from anime, cars, gaming, and nature to superheroes, movies, and many more. You can also browse wallpapers by category to quickly find the style you like. Just open any wallpaper, scroll down, and click the download button. The video file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, go back to the Lively Wallpaper app. Click the plus icon, click on Choose a File. Select all the wallpapers you downloaded and click OK. They'll all be imported into the app. Now, simply click on any wallpaper you like, and it will be applied to your desktop in just a few seconds. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what live wallpaper you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.